Hello and welcome to English with Darlianah, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm Darlianah, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally, step by step, day by day. I will be speaking slowly and clearly so you can follow me and repeat after me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very simple but very powerful. How to build real confidence when speaking English. Even if you feel nervous, even if you make mistakes, even if people don't always understand you. Many people think confidence comes from perfect grammar, but that's not true. You don't need to know every word. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You don't need to hide your accent. What you need is the right mindset. A mindset that helps you speak without fear. A mindset that turns mistakes into lessons. A mindset that makes you feel proud of your progress, not ashamed of your errors. So let's begin. Let's start with a simple question. What is the echo technique? Maybe you've never heard of it before. The echo technique is one of the best methods to build speaking confidence quickly. It's simple and very effective. Here is how it works. You listen to a short English phrase, like what I'm saying right now, and you echo it back immediately. You don't think. You don't worry about mistakes. You don't judge yourself. You just echo the sound, like a mirror reflects an image. You copy the words with the same energy and the same feeling as the speaker. Let's try it together. I'll say a phrase and you echo after me. I am learning English. Now you echo. I speak with confidence. Now you echo. My English is getting better. Now you echo. Excellent work. That's it. That's the echo technique. At first, it feels uncomfortable. You might stumble over words. That's perfectly fine. The echo technique is not about being perfect. It's about training your confidence to speak without hesitation. It helps you stop overthinking and start speaking. If you do this regularly, even 3 minutes a day, you will start to speak more freely, more boldly, and more naturally. It's a simple practice with powerful results. Now, let's talk about the main question. How can you build real confidence in English? Many students tell me, Darlianah, I know the words, but I freeze when I speak. I'm scared of making mistakes. I worry what people think. And I always say, confidence doesn't come from being perfect. Confidence comes from being brave. Let me give you 5 simple and powerful ways to build unshakable confidence in English every single day, wherever you are. Tip number 1. Speak to yourself first. This is the safest way to start. If you're afraid to speak to others, speak to yourself every day, not in your head, but out loud. When you're alone, narrate what you're doing, describe what you see, express how you feel. You can say things like, I'm making breakfast. The eggs smell good. I need more salt. Or when you're getting ready, I'm choosing my clothes. This shirt is blue. These shoes are comfortable. Nobody is listening. Nobody is judging. You're just practicing being comfortable with English sounds coming from your mouth. Do this for 5 minutes every morning, and you'll notice something amazing. Your fear starts to disappear. Tip number 2. Record yourself speaking. Now that you're speaking alone, the next step is to hear yourself. Many people hate their voice in English. They think it sounds strange or wrong. But here's the truth. The more you hear yourself, the more normal it becomes. Record a short message every day. Talk about anything. Your breakfast, your plans, a movie you watched. Just speak for 30 seconds. Then listen to it. Don't criticize. Just notice. What sounds clear? What needs practice? This builds self-awareness and removes the mystery of how you sound. Tip number 3, celebrate your mistakes loudly. This might sound crazy, but it works. When you make a mistake, don't hide it, celebrate it. Say out loud, "I made a mistake! That's great! I'm learning!" Why? Because mistakes are not enemies, they're teachers. Every mistake shows you trying. Every error means you're growing. When you celebrate mistakes, you remove their power to hurt you. You turn fear into curiosity. Try this today. Make a mistake on purpose and laugh about it. You'll feel the fear melting away. Tip number 4, use the 3-second rule. Here's a powerful trick. When someone asks you a question in English, you have 3 seconds. Count them. 1, 2, 3. Then you must speak. Don't think about grammar. Don't search for perfect words. Just open your mouth and let something come out, even if it's wrong, even if it's simple. The 3-second rule trains you to respond quickly. It stops overthinking. It builds the habit of speaking first, correcting later. Real conversations don't wait for perfect sentences. They need quick responses. Tip number 5, find your English personality. Let me share something important. You might feel like a different person when you speak English. Maybe quieter, maybe less funny, maybe less smart. That's normal. But here's what you can do. Create your English personality. Decide who you want to be in English. Maybe more confident than in your native language, maybe more friendly, maybe more curious. Give yourself permission to be different in English. This isn't fake, it's freedom. When you speak English, you can be the person you want to be. Now let me tell you about building confidence through daily habits. Confidence is not something you find, it's something you build. Like a muscle, it grows stronger with practice. And the best practice happens in small, daily moments, not in big, scary situations. Let me show you how to turn ordinary moments into confidence builders. First, order in English whenever possible. At coffee shops, restaurants, or stores. Even if the staff speaks your language, use English. Say, "Can I have a large coffee, please?" Or, "Do you have this in blue?" These are safe, predictable conversations. The stakes are low, the practice is real. Each successful interaction builds your confidence bank. Second, think out loud in English. When you're solving problems, making decisions, or planning your day, do it in English. Say things like, "Okay, first I need to finish this report. Then I'll have lunch. After that, I should call my friend." This connects English to your thinking process. It makes English feel natural, not foreign. Third, join online conversations with voice messages. Text is safe, but voice is powerful. In WhatsApp groups or Discord servers, send voice messages instead of text. Start with short ones. "Hi everyone, I agree with that idea." Then make them longer. This builds confidence in a controlled environment. People can't interrupt you. You can re-record if needed, but you're still using your voice. Fourth, practice emotional expressions. Confidence comes from expressing feelings, not just facts. Practice saying, "I'm so excited about this," or "That makes me really happy," or "I'm a bit worried about that." When you can express emotions in English, you feel more complete, more human, more confident. Fifth, use positive self-talk in English. Before any English conversation, tell yourself, in English, "I can do this. I'm prepared. People want to understand me. My English is good enough." This programs your brain for success, not failure. Your thoughts become your reality. Remember this. Every confident English speaker was once afraid. Every fluent person once struggled. The difference? They kept speaking despite the fear. They made friends with mistakes.
They chose progress over perfection. And that's what I want for you. Not perfect English, but confident English. Not silent knowledge, but spoken practice. Not fear of judgment, but joy in communication. So here's your homework. Today, right after this podcast, record yourself speaking for 30 seconds. Tomorrow, speak to yourself for 5 minutes. This week, use the 3-second rule in one conversation. This month, send 5 voice messages in English. These small acts of bravery build big confidence. And remember, I believe in you. Every time you speak, you're winning. Every word you say is progress. Every conversation is a victory. Keep speaking, keep growing, keep building your confidence, because your voice in